Hi, my name is Sue. I'm an account executive for Uber Eats. We're committed to making sure that you have a seamless experience on the app. So today I'm going to go through some of the most commonly asked questions that we get from our merchants navigating the app. When you first open the Uber Eats Manager's app, you're going to see on your main home screen a performance overview. From this screen, you're able to see a high-level overview as to the revenue, sales, and basically what that income looks like that's coming into your business from Uber Eats customers.
For a deeper dive, click on the Orders tab at the bottom of the app. Here you can track issues like missing or inaccurate orders.
And at the very top of the screen, you're able to toggle what that date of time looks like. Yesterday, last week, last month, all up until your past year on Uber Eats. Another one of my favorite aspects about our app is marketing campaigns. If you click on the row logo, you'll notice that there are certain menu items from your restaurant that are actually listed there, as well as the frequency customers are ordering them. This gives you a better idea as to what kind of marketing campaigns would actually perform the best on the platform. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see things like buy one, get one, as well as certain happy hour discounts that are going to leverage your menu's already enjoyed items. So if you're looking to boost your volume, marketing campaigns is really going to be the best way to get new eyes on your restaurant. Now, as you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll actually see an ability to create an ads campaign. Now, ads are a little bit different than marketing promotions because you're not just trying to target a certain item or discount something that you're trying to sell more of. It's actually just going to boost your visibility in the app as a whole. So as customers are searching through restaurants, where your restaurant shows up in the feed is actually dependent on part of that advertisement spend. So in order to show up higher, you're going to want to put a daily or monthly spend, which is just a really great way to stand out, especially in areas where there are a lot of restaurants that are on Uber Eats. These are the areas of the app that we've gotten the most questions from our merchants on. We look forward to continuing to help your business grow on Uber Eats.